Hi, I'm Ty with WTI, and I wanted to show you guys my duvet. The reason why I purchased this particular duvet is because I needed one that had stitching all throughout, because I have had duvets before where they did not have stitching and the insides just clumped up in some areas. One side of the duvet was higher than the other side, which was thin. So I wanted something that would keep the filling inside pretty even. I also chose this duvet because I wanted something that I could throw into my washing machine and didn't struggle with having a huge gigantic one that I'm stuffing into my washing machine. Even if it is too thin for you, with these, they're really easy to layer upon each other. It has the loops here, which definitely help for keeping my duvet in place. And most importantly, I think that it is very comfortable. So if you're looking for a nice duvet cover, I think this is a very good one. And that's my point of view.